In my 2 seconds, I can show you how we can practice lean in design. It is common that designers put heat exchanger side by side. In this position, heat exchanger take more space occupied. I put heat exchanger in new position, meaning that back to back. As you can see, I save more space and fittings. I created bill of material and I estimated we can save around $15,000 per heat exchanger set. So we have 4 sets in this solvent project that it makes $60,000 for us. That it's really good. Thank you for watching.